Hi everyone, it's Bryan and welcome to another video on why you should live in Palm Springs. And today we're looking at a listing of mine at 4962 Frey Way in the community of Escena. And if you're not familiar with that, the community is on the east side of the airport off of Vistacino and Ginatri. There is a golf course within the community. It's a public course, and then there's also a clubhouse as well. So we're taking a look at this two-story home. It's about 3,000 square feet, and it's been completely renovated. So let's take a look, and I would love your comments, and please reach out if you need more information on Escena or this listing. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.